How to start an LLC in Delaware. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Starting an LLC can feel really confusing if you've never done it before. But today I'm breaking down exactly how to set one up for the great state of Delaware. Whether you're launching a brand new business or moving an existing one, Delaware is one of the most business-friendly states in the US, especially because it's known worldwide for its strong corporate laws. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through two different ways to form your LLC. First, using an LLC formation service that handles the forms and legal steps for you without any hassle. And second is doing everything yourself directly through the state. For the service option, I'll be using Taylor Brands as the example, so you can see exactly how it works. If you want to check them out, the link is in the description. But before that, let's see what is an LLC. An LLC is short for a limited liability company. It's a business structure that basically gives you the best of both worlds, the simplicity and flexibility of a partnership, the legal protection of a corporation. So when you form an LLC, your business becomes its own legal entity. That means your personal assets stay separate from your company's debts, lawsuits, or obligations. If your business gets sued or falls into debt, your personal money and property should be protected. So first, I'll show you the formation process using Taylor Brands, one of the best entity formation companies out there that handles everything for you. So simply click the link in the description and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. First, enter your business name, click Get Started, go to the next screen, and you'll be asked what your Delaware LLC will offer: physical goods, services, hospitality, content creation, tech, or other where you describe it. Then you give your industry info so they can create a better plan for you. Next, you choose your biggest motivation for starting a business, being your own boss, making extra money, or doing what you love. Then you tell them what stage your Delaware LLC is at, just an idea, getting ready to launch, or already in business. After that, choose what you want to focus on today: LLC formation, online presence, brand design, etc. And now they'll ask if your Delaware LLC already has any of the following: EIN, business cards, domain name, logo, mailbox, business name, trademark, website. If not, click none of the above. They review your information and guide you through steps to help build your branded setup. Taylor Brands offer 3 plan levels, including a $0 plan, where you only pay the Delaware state filing fee. Higher packages include branding and marketing extras. So once you choose a plan, they file the LLC documents for you. If you want to take all the hassle, file the paperwork yourself, and do it yourself, here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Pick a name for your LLC. You need a unique business name not too similar to existing Delaware companies. You can check the name availability using the Delaware Division of Corporations name search, or just do a quick Google search. Delaware naming rules are simple. You must include limited liability company or LLC. That's it. Lots of freedom. Then step 2. Choose a registered agent. Every Delaware LLC must have a registered agent with a physical Delaware address. You can be your own agent only if you live in Delaware. Otherwise, you'll need a professional registered agent service, which most business owners choose because they're always available during business hours. They help keep your address private. They ensure you never miss legal mail. And step 3, file your certificate of formation. This is the step that officially creates your LLC. You'll file the certificate of formation with the Delaware Division of Corporations. This document includes LLC name, registered agent name and address, authorized person's signature. Delaware does not require member manager information publicly, which is one reason people love Delaware for privacy. Then step 4, create an operating agreement. Delaware does not legally require an operating agreement, but it's extremely important to have one. It's your internal business blueprint. It includes ownership percentages, member rights and responsibilities, profit or loss distribution, what happens if a member leaves, how decisions and disputes are handled. Even if you're a single member LLC, create one. It strengthens your structure and can protect you in legal situations. Step 5. Get an EIN. An EIN, also known as Employer Identification Number, is like a social security number for your business. You'll need it to file taxes, open a business bank account, hire employees, apply for loans. You can get an EIN for free from the IRS online, by mail, or by fax. If you're a foreign owner with no SSN, You will need an ITIN first, then you can apply for an EIN. Step 6. Understand your Delaware taxes. LLCs are pass-through entities, meaning the business doesn't pay income tax, the owners do through personal tax returns. However, Delaware has two important requirements. First is Delaware annual franchise tax. Every LLC must pay an annual $300 franchise tax. This is mandatory and due by June 1st every year. Then we have a state income tax. Delaware has state income tax, but LLC members only pay it if they live in Delaware or earn income sourced from Delaware. Then we have gross receipts tax. If your business sells goods or services in Delaware, you may need to pay a gross receipts tax. There is no sales tax in Delaware. So now a very common question is why many businesses choose Delaware? Because of its strong legal protections, very business-friendly codes, no public disclosure of owners, flexible business laws, trusted worldwide. So if this sounds overwhelming, you're not alone. When I formed my own LLC, I didn't want to risk messing up a form or missing a rule. I also didn't have time to learn everything from scratch. That's why I used Taylor Brands. They handle the whole LLC formation for you, including paperwork, compliance reminders, and optional branding tools. They've been around since 2014, helping entrepreneurs form businesses more easily. And that's it. Those are the two ways to form an LLC in Delaware. You can absolutely do it yourself. Many people do. But if you want a smoother hands-off experience, Taylor Brands is a great choice, especially for first-time founders. Both options will get you to the same place. It just depends on how much time you want to spend on paperwork versus building your actual business. So if this guide helped you out, hit the like and subscribe for more helpful content. And if you want to try Taylor Brands, the link is in the description. We often get special deals that you won't find on their main website. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.